Baking. There are 4 essential ingredients to baking: flour, water, yeast, and salt. With these simple ingredients, you can make a stunning variety of things: bread, wraps, pretzels, pita, bagels. It's all the same ingredients, but there is one secret ingredient to making these that every master baker knows: art. The art is knowing how much, for how long. It's the instinct, the feel. What if I told you your well-being is the same? It too has 4 basic ingredients. First, think of your energy as the flour of your well-being recipe. How much energy do you invest in your physical, mental, and emotional health? Just like flour is the foundation of bread, energy forms the basis of our well-being. Now let's consider direction. Like water, it is crucial for bringing our ingredients together. Do you have clear goals and a sense of purpose in your life? Remember, having direction helps you stay on the path to well-being. Belonging is our yeast, making our well-being rise and grow. Do you have supportive relationships in your life? Just as yeast makes dough rise, a sense of belonging elevates our happiness and well-being. And finally, we have joy, the salt that enhances the flavor of life. Do you embrace joy and seek happiness in your everyday experiences? A pinch of joy adds richness to our lives and balances our well-being. Now, bring in the secret ingredient: core values. Just as a master baker's experience and artistry elevates their bread, your core values are the secret to your well-being. They're what make your path uniquely yours. Ask yourself, how do my core values guide me in making choices that impact my energy, direction, belonging, and joy? By aligning your actions with your core, you'll create a life that is as nourishing and satisfying as freshly baked bread. Every day holds possibilities, but you need to know how much of each ingredient you are working with. Use your well-being check-in for this. It's like doing inventory. In just a few seconds, you will know what you have to work with today. Just like baking, achieving well-being requires attention, care, and the artistry of infusing core values in your day-to-day actions. Do this, and you'll soon savor the taste of a balanced, healthy, and fulfilling life infused with the expertise and artistry of your core values. What is your recipe for well-being? And what are you going to make today?